ever seen in my entire life.
Sorry.
That is so gross. Who wants this boob? I do.
Yep.
Dear Jack, XOXO. Shit. You just got titted.
Hey, sir in the orange shirt, can I have that hose for a second? Hey, you in the orange hat with the hose, can I have that for a second?
Hey, you goddamn crazy man! There's electronics up here. Now I'm gonna slip. It's like a Motley Crue concert. I have a theory, you guys. Hey, pay attention!
They're being sprayed with hoses. Don't spray them in water, they're drowning.
They're gonna die.
Come on!
Haven't you ever heard of overwatering your plants? It's bad for them. They don't grow anymore, they drown. Hey, listen, I say we start a fucking revolution against this shit.
Does that mean take your shirt off?
Water can't stop all of you. I want to see fucking hundreds of crowd surfers right fucking now.